Dude, aren't you supposed to install the steering wheel? Isn't that why I got it for you?
Yeah, but this is fun too.
Alright guys, well just some quick track driving impressions of the BRZ.
Alright, what's up guys? So today I'll be installing the FT-86 SpeedFactory steering wheel. So let's open this baby up. Oh wow. The way we taped it up. Oh, this looks freaking nice. This is pretty freaking awesome, man. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks so clean. Oh, it feels so aggressive. So you guys can see the stock steering wheel. Like, you can see how thick it is. It reaches from here. And with this, pretty much, you can see how much more thicker it is from here. It feels so much nicer than this. I love this steering wheel, man, but I want something more aggressive. This is a nice steering wheel, but you really don't get much of like a support here. Yet here you do. Plus a D shape. Oh man, I love this. Feels really nice. This also too, but gotta replace you, man. Be needing a 17 socket, flathead. I have two of them in case, just to play it safe, and a Phillips screw. First things first, make sure that your steering wheel is straight. So make sure to have a 10 mil as well socket to disconnect the negative battery. Disconnect negative battery, just make sure that it's furthest away so it won't touch it again. Put it away from everything. Just make sure it doesn't touch it. Just tuck it down here. What I like to do with my PCs is disconnect them from the power line just to press the power, just to make sure, just to drain it out, whatever's in there. And then disconnect and get rid of this. And then another piece down here. You'll see like an area to disconnect them. There you go. One out, another one here, that's another one down. So the first pin is going to be right here. Just lift it up. The other one is like right here. And then the other one will be right here. Two pins that you'll take off will be on this side. Easiest right here, more towards the top. The second one. And then the third one on the right side will be more a little to the top. Still be on this side. After that, you'll be able to take out the steering wheel. Be sure to be careful. After that, grab a flathead, open it from here and then here, and then disconnect this cable. Slowly wiggle in and then lift up. Alright, so once you lift them up, just lift this up slowly. Oh, screw it up a little more or less. There you go. That, wiggle this away. Make sure to grab it from the base, never the cable, because you don't want to pull and mess that up. When you're disconnecting it, make sure to push this part down while pulling it. So now we have the airbag out. So you go here, right foot here, so it will move. Oh, boom. Loosen it a little, not too far, to be able to wiggle it out. There you go. After that, I'm gonna take out the lug nut. Put it to the side the meantime, so I like to leave it. Disconnect this piece. Make sure to slowly take it out. Don't pull it from the back. Have this come out slowly. Boom. Yeah. Sure should look like this at the meantime. Alright, let's go to the fun part. Nice cat, isn't she? Alright, so this is the stocked one, and this is the new one. Make sure I have a Phillips and a flat head. Connect these. The cruise control. Have one to the side. That you'll be able to wiggle it out. And then disconnect it from here. Well, so pull this. So I'm just disconnect this in here. Little elbow grease. Push this back, and this right here too. And this. Pinch them together. Same here as well. Boom, voila. Now we get rid of the steering wheel weight. Just have them together to the side. And now we're done with this. I'm gonna miss you. What was there to here? So pretty much the same thing, but reverse. So I'm gonna add the weights. Align it with these. They're popping out, so I can align them. Alright, make sure to transfer these clips, this piece, and this piece, the ones that you'll be disconnecting at first. Lift and push. To the right side. Boom. And then the last one. Oh, this one's easier than compared to the other ones. Boom. After that, let's clip this back in here. Just push it back in from the back. You just apply pressure. Some little weight on it. You'll see that's flushed in perfectly fine. You put this back. Just apply some weight. Snuggle it in there. Slowly but carefully adjust it from here and here. Another piece right here, so it sustain it. 2 Phillips screws here. Just hand tight, nothing to be over weighting on it. Weighting. Last 2 screws here. This is starting to look a lot better and looks so sick, man. Alright, back to the car. And so make sure to fish this back in here. Make sure that your cables are all organized in the edges and here too. Insert it in. Adjust it how you previously had it before. Mine was kind of slanted to the left, so just a little. Just make sure to have it straight as possible. I just kind of moved it a little so it will lock, so it won't move. You feel it when it's locked in or you're pushed all the way in. push this back in here, repin it. You hear that click. Once that's all in there, reconnect this. Grab your 17. Like I said, make sure that it's back how it was. I think that should be tight enough. Not too tight. Now reconnect the airbags, connect this, this, and this, here, here, and here. But first plug your cables back in. Push, push, lock, lock. And then reconnect this, how you had it before. Pull it back a little just to make sure that it's locked in there. And that should be it. Push it back in there. 2 separate clicks. I think we're good. So I'll put this back where it belongs. Boom, that's one down. And the other one here, where we had it previously. Nice. It's pretty dark out here, but don't matter what time it is, I'll do the best I can to do stuff on my car. No lights came up. So making sure, yep, all the lights are working. Horn is working. This looks really amazing, guys. All right, let's give this baby a try. So I've not touched the steering wheel with my bare hands. Normally when I do car work, I always wear gloves, but wow, it's really, really grippy, man. You can already feel like this part already supporting you when you do turns, and this carbon fiber, this red line is just beautiful, man. Everything seems to be doing fine. Wow, this deep part. Oh my God, the grip is just so nice. Wow. So far it feels really good. Like, I honestly cannot wait to take this car into the track, man. This feels really nice, guys. Like, when I do turns, it just like grapples you so perfect, man. It just feels so nice. You feel that perfect grip where you need it. Even with like the Alcantara part, with the grip of your own bare hands, like, you know, we have like grip in our fingers. This just feels perfectly fine. Like right now, hard turn. I like to thank my girlfriend for getting me this, man. This is freaking awesome, guys. Woo! Just looks so amazing, man. I love black and red, and the coloring of this is just amazing, man. Carbon fiber, guys. Carbon fiber leather. Go for it. My girlfriend was like asking me either Alcantara or leather. I said leather. Alcantara feels nice, but I feel like the Alcantara wears out. You can see it, like, it kind of gets like marked. This feels so nice when I turn, man. All right, night drive. During the daylight, man, she looks nice and shiny, man. It's so grippy. I love it. I enjoy it. I've been keeping my eye on this steering wheel for a while now, because once I first drove this car, I was like, oh, the steering wheel feels nice, but it feels really, really small. Get a little nice turn from here. down here. It just feels amazing, man, when you gotta do those turns. The car is fun as is when you do turns, but with like this kind of steering wheel, guys, woo, feels amazing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Means a lot. The install was really fun and easy. Just a pain in the butt just for the little pins down here. Well, 2 of them on this side, one more mainly on this side, and the other one more towards the top. And this one will be like more towards like this area. So like here, here, and here when you look under. And that, I love the steering wheel, guys. So, till next time.